From 1953 to 1987, the water supply at the Camp Lejeune Marine Corps base in North Carolina was contaminated with extremely high levels of toxic chemicals. In response to this contamination, the federal government has directed several public health agencies to study and evaluate the impact that this contamination had on the long-term health of Lejeune residents and employees. These public health studies identified a number of cancers and other diseases that appeared to be connected to the water at Camp Lejeune. One of the diseases that was consistently found to be associated with the Lejeune water supply was liver cancer. Liver cancer is the 12th most common cancer type, accounting for 40,000 new cases each year. Liver cancer is one of the more deadly types of cancer, with a 5-year overall survival rate of just 20% for all stages. The most significant study linking liver cancer to the water at Camp Lejeune is the ATS-DR mortality study, which was published in 2014 and based on decades of scientific and clinical research by the CDC. The ATS-DR mortality study looked at health and mortality records for thousands of residents and employees at Camp Lejeune and compared them to a control group of residents from another Marine Corps base that did not have contaminated water. The mortality study found that individuals who were exposed to the contaminated water at Lejeune had a significantly higher risk of developing liver cancer and dying from liver cancer compared to a control group. Moreover, the data showed that the liver cancer rates were highest in those individuals with the most extensive exposure to the contaminated water at Lejeune. For years, the victims of the water contamination at Camp Lejeune have been blocked from bringing civil lawsuits. Now, however, Congress is on the verge of passing a new law that will give Camp Lejeune victims the right to bring claims for their injuries. If you worked or lived at Camp Lejeune during the contamination period and were diagnosed with liver cancer, call us today for a free consultation.